Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the essentials: a known good, Apple-certified charger and cable, and an undamaged adapter. You inspect the MacBook's charging port for lint or debris. Use compressed air or a soft brush to clear it, because dirt can prevent contact. Once done, you perform a power system reset, SMC for Intel Macs or NVRAM reset if instructed, since these resets clear low-level power management glitches that often stop charging. Make sure to follow the model-specific key sequence exactly so the reset completes. Next, you isolate whether the problem is the charger, cable, wall outlet, or the MacBook itself by swapping chargers and outlets. If another charger works, you've narrowed it to the original adapter or cable. Then boot into safe mode or recovery to see if Mac OS is misreporting battery state, because software can block charging. You also open system information and read the AC charger and battery sections to confirm wattage, charging status, cycle count, and condition. These clues tell you whether the battery or logic board is failing. To finish, you replace any frayed or damaged cable and swap in a known good adapter. These fixes resolve many issues because worn connectors lose contact. If the battery health shows excessive cycle count or poor condition, you arrange a battery replacement since degraded cells won't accept charge reliably. Once replaced or swapped, confirm charging behavior in system settings. If the problem persists, have an Apple-authorized technician run diagnostics. Tip: bring your charger and any error messages, because accurate info speeds up repair and reduces repeats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.